What is up, you guys? Welcome to the 31st tutorial of programming in C. Now, in this tutorial, we are going to talk more on pointers, and for that, I'm going to make a function called sum to add these two numbers, okay? And it's going to be no return type with parameters, okay? So instead of sending the parameters, the values of the variables, we are going to send the addresses of the variables, okay? So let's get started. Let's first of all declare the function. Let's call it sum, and we end it with a semicolon because it's declaration, and here we type integers. Now what we can actually do is that instead of writing integers, we can actually write the name of the variable which we want. We can even write int as well, but there's no harm in writing the variables here also. So I'm just gonna go ahead and write the pointer p1 because we are going to take the input for the function as an address. All right, so even here, let's make it p2 this time. Okay, so this is our sum function which is going to take the addresses of the variables. Okay, so let's code our main function first. Let's create some variables called a, b. Two variables will be enough, I guess. So let's print out a statement first of all. Enter two numbers. There you go. And the new line. So let's put a scanf person D's. Don't forget the ampersand. I'm sorry, I think I forgot the comma. A and B. Okay, so now the variables are ready. We just want to send them to the function. So to do this, we just call the function first of all. And inside these, instead of writing a and b like this, we actually write the ampersand a and ampersand b. Now what we do here is that we are sending the address of a and address of b. So to get the addresses of respective variables, we use the ampersand. All right, so now we have pretty much passed on the addresses of the variables. Now let's code our sum function. And inside these brackets, we need to type the pointers as well. All right, we actually need to confirm this. So to do that, we just type it again. And whatever address comes from here and here, it's going to be stored in P1 and P2. All right. Okay. Now remember, the asterisk we use is to decode the address. I mean, whatever the value is stored in that particular address will be given out if we use this asterisk in front of the address. All right, so p1 is the address, and if we put this asterisk in front of it, it's going to give the value. So let's first of all make an integer variable which is going to hold the sum of these two. So we type c is equal to star p1 plus star p2. There you go. Now what C will do is that it will take the value of first variable and the value of second variable. Even though we have sent the addresses, it will just take the values and add them up. Okay, and let's print out the value of C. So the sum is person D, and we're going to print out C this time. All right. Now one last thing I would like to tell you about pointers is that if it is storing a value of integer variable, then the address will also be integer type. I don't really know the reason why is it like that, but the address which you declare, if it's integer, it will only hold the integer value. All right, the address of the integer value. So let's run this program and see how it works. So enter two numbers. Let me put some 87 and 4 this time. So the sum is 91. It works pretty smooth. And remember, we are sending the address here and not the value in real. So That is all. You can actually use the pointers in functions as well. Uh, I just programmed this program to show you that pointers can also be used in functions, all right? So in the next tutorials, I'll be making some more codes on pointers, and you will get to know more on pointers in the next program, all right? I think in the next program I'll make the swap function. So thanks for watching, and we meet in the next video.